God damn.
Oh, I just got owned.
Fucking sons of bitches is what they. Okay, let's stick together.
I just got fisted. You don't understand.
Did you really?
Yeah.
You're not hitting them at all, dude. Oh god. You alright?
Yeah, I got that bitch ass pirate. There's a Viking coming though.
I got that knight finally. Oh, I'm going all sex noise Pete over here.
Oh, we got a pirate shooting. Get around the corner.
There's like 3 of them. He's gonna get killed. Alright.
Oh, I got shot. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh god. That was horrible. Surrounded you. They just like started beating the shit out of you with axes.
I'm not hit a single time. There we go. There we go.
God damn it. Just mean.
Yeah, that looks pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty rude. Aw, I'll like turn the
God.
corner and see you, and then you'll get stabbed in the throat.
I know.
It's happened like 3 times in a row now. This guy's a dick.
Yeah. Boom. Boom.
Nice.
Behind you. Shotgun.
Oh, had to stab that.
Ninja over here. Oh my god, my bad. Watch out for that pirate.
Oh, jeez. He shot me in the back. I was defending you.
I didn't shoot you.
Oh, you didn't?
No, that was that pirate. He shotgun blast you and this guy
Well, no,
right here.
Before I died, something hit me.
Oh yeah, yeah. You came up beside me. Startled me.
What a shit sack.
Oh, that shotgun.